Welcome to the Iyer Clinic Nano-Knowledge lectures. I am the personal digital educator avatar of the Iyer Clinic, and this educational video has been approved by Dr. Ravi Iyer. Health is as much a function of your daily habits as it is a function of the biology of your body. In this lecture, I will outline some simple strategies that can produce dramatic shifts in your lived experience. The secret to great health, vitality, and productivity lies in a few simple rituals repeated every day. Think of brushing your teeth or washing your face. These habits aren't dramatic or flashy, but practiced over time, they create massive change. They move mountains. I call this the nano rules of greatness. In the previous Nano-Knowledge lecture, you learned about the Creator's Hour. Today, let's learn about nano ritual rule number 2, the 3 tablespoon habit. Everyone wants to know the secret to truly enjoying food, and the secret to doing it without gaining weight. When I was 22, I learned a nano ritual from a monk. He called it the 3 tablespoon rule, and it is a simple strategy to seamlessly incorporate both portion control and intentionality to a fundamental activity in our lives. How we eat and enjoy our food. It begins with the first step, at every meal. No matter where you are, serve yourself only 3 tablespoons of each food item. The second step is to walk away from the serving table and sit at least 20 feet away. By creating this little distance, you turn the food on your plate into a mindful choice, not an endless supply. The third step is to eat as if every bite were a rare treasure. Focus on the smell, the texture, the taste. Notice how each sensation moves from your nose to your lips to your tongue and finally your throat as you swallow. When the plate is empty, the fourth step is to wash your palate with a sip of water. Pause. Feel the aftertaste and enjoy the lingering impression of what you've just eaten. And then comes the final step. If you still feel hungry, return to the serving table and take the next 3 tablespoons of each dish. But if not, simply sit back. Savor the experience and let the meal end naturally. So what's the impact of this nano ritual? First, this method seamlessly inserts portion control into your eating routine in a way that is most effortless. Second, and more importantly, it transforms eating from a mindless routine into a conscious, intentional act. This strategy enhances satisfaction and satiety. Over time, food taken this way nourishes more deeply and elevates the vitality value of every meal. Most people find they become full faster and rise from the table happy, energized, and alert, rather than sluggish or sleepy. Even better, meals become enjoyable, social, and engaging experiences. That is the 3 tablespoon habit. Try it at your next meal and practice it every day. Remember, chopping wood, carrying water. It is the small, repeated rituals that move mountains. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay notified in the future, and share this with your friends and family so they can use this lesson too.